what makes a good narrative. Tapos dito, ano ba yung mga indicators na merong parang effort to spin the narrative dito sa issue ni Mayor Alice Guo?
Okay, now ayan, pumapasok na po tayo sa exciting part. Dumaan na tayo sa sad part, no, yung kasaysayan ni Ian sa gubat. Yan, malungkot na malungkot yun. Pero ngayon, we're entering the exciting part of the discussion. Alam mo, communications, crisis communications, just like and this is an example that will appeal to Ian and hopefully a lot of our viewers, no? Parang comedy ho yan. Meron hong degrees and levels of comedy, kung nalalaman niyo po. So in the same with crisis communications, there are degrees and levels to crisis communications. Sabi po nila sa comedy, the lowest form of comedy is toilet humor and slapstick. Yung mga Three Stooges, yung mga nadadapa-dapa, sinasampal-sampal, yun, that's the lowest form of comedy. In crisis communications po, the lowest form of crisis communications is what we call pity party. So yun yung unang-unang indicator natin. Paawa, pity party. And you know, among Filipinos, aral po ito ng mga practitioners tulad ko, no? There are very, very specific triggers that will appeal to the pity party strategy. So ano ho yan? Elderly. So yung nanay na matanda, yung tatay na matanda, magsasalita, yung anak ko, inaapi, kawawa naman ang aking anak. Yan, elderly, parents, children, na mami, sana umuwi ka na. Yan, bakit nila ginaganito si mama? Yan, di ba? Or si papa. Yan, mga children. Health is a very, very common tactic with pity party. Yung bigla kang lalabas na naka-neck brace, naka-wheelchair. Ay, good evening po. Sa mga nakakakuha ng reference, di ba? Biglang may wheelchair ka na, biglang tinakbo ka na sa hospital, ano ka na, because tumaas ang iyong presyon, blah, blah, blah. And part of the pity party strategy is an abusive, downtrodden background. Isa lang akong, I'm a child born out of wedlock. Ang nanay ko po ay hindi ko nakilala, isang kasambahay. So this is the pity party strategy, which is, as I said earlier, no, the lowest form. That's the lowest hanging fruit when it comes to narrative spin and crisis comms, no. Pity party. That's almost so obvious. Para ka naka luminous vest pag ginawa mo yan. Nagpapaawa. In other words, now whether or not, go ahead, yeah.
Pag ganyan, does it have to be true? Or it just has to stick?
Ideally, well, ako I'll speak for myself and our company. We will never make blank up. That's one of the tenets and commandments in our country, in our company. No, hindi kami gagawa ng kwento kasi in this day and age, especially with you know, very, very dogged researchers like Senator Risa and Senator Win, lalabas at lalabas yan eh. Mabubulat-lat yan eh. So that will bite you back. But to your point, no, it doesn't have to be true. If it sticks and you feel that you can get away with it, at sa tingin mo naman, hindi nila malalaman yan, there's no way of proving it, then other communication strategists might just go that route, no? And go down that slippery slope na mag-invento na lang tayo ng kwento, sana maawa sila sa atin.
Okay, again, hindi po natin sinasabi na ito yung talagang ginagawa or nangyayari dito po sa
tama.
Sitwasyon ni Mayor Alice Guo. We're just talking about yung interview niya na ABS-CBN. Of course, nandun yung isang perspective na mukha yata nagamit dito yung ABS-CBN kasi lumabas yung ganung naratibo, and whether marami naniwala o hindi, it's another question. Pero there are two perspectives regarding that. Yung perspective from journalism, perspective naman from people like you who practices the craft from the other side. So I go back to that question. Itong naratibo na paawa, mukha ba nagamit dito yung ABS-CBN?
Okay, wow, I'll answer that in the best way I can. I mean, really, when you say kasi the word gamit, and I hope you're still getting me, Ian, because mukhang yung internet mo dyan ay nagpa-fluctuate. Kasi when you say nagamit, in Filipino, the very ethos, the very root of that word is somebody was disadvantaged and the advantage went entirely to one party. Yun ang traditional spirit of the word na gamit. But in this case, nagamit pa talaga ang ABS. My God, their viewership shot up. All the eyeballs went to them. Di ba? Naging the platform was, they were the hottest topic of that day. Sila yung pinapanood. So I don't know necessarily kung quote-unquote nagamit yung ABS-CBN in this case, no? Because it also worked out to their advantage. May gamitan bang nangyari kung parehong party ang nag-benefit? That perhaps is the philosophical question I would like to ask the current parishioner, Ian Esguerra.
Oo nga. Tsaka yung question na yun kasi medyo medyo malalim pag inisip natin, no? Ano ba yung objectives, for instance? Kasi 'di ba kayo diyan sa field mo, Alan, meron kayong specific objective why you engage media. 'Di ba? Hindi naman kayo nakikipag-usap sa lahat, 'di ba? You choose which particular news organization you would engage at least for the first time, 'di ba? Pero syempre when it comes to benefit from, let's say, ABS-CBN, maraming eyeballs sa television, maraming clicks, maraming engagement, maraming likes, maraming comments, maraming insights on social media. Pero yung tinatanong ko, journalistically, for instance, in terms of nagamit, lumabas ba dyan yung katotohanan o baka naman nakatulong pa, naging party yung ABS-CBN doon sa paghabi ng paawa narrative?
Well, if that's the question, if the question is that nuanced and specific, then absolutely they were to use the most exact word, they were the channel. Sila yung naging pipeline. Di ba? Binigyan nila ng plataforma at binigyan nila ng pulpit si Mayor Alice Guo to tell the narrative as she was either coached or she truly believes it to be or is the actual truth. So we don't know what it is, di ba? Pero ABS-CBN, definitely yung naging plataforma. So kumbaga sa hindi mo naman masisisi yung getaway car. Halimbawa, nagkaroon ng robbery, bank robbery. You cannot blame the vehicle manufacturers for manufacturing the vehicle, but sila yung quote-unquote naging getaway car. Dun sumakay yung mga bandido, so to speak, no? So in this case, yes, they became the platform and the channel.